Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play Cyberpunk 2077 on your Android smartphone. So to begin, you'll need to get a Cyberpunk 2077 on your Steam account, like I have right here in my library. It won't work on any other platform, so be sure that you have it right here. Now next thing is to download Steam Link app on your smartphone, and I already downloaded it, it's right here. You can check our previous video to see how you can download it and set it up for the first time. Now let's click on it right here. After everything is set, click on start playing. Make sure that you have the Wi-Fi connection both the same on your PC and your Android smartphone. Now you should see the screen from your PC on your smartphone. You can now go for a Cyberpunk, click play, it should launch. So if you click anywhere on your screen, you'll see the controls. You can also use the other controller connected to your phone. Now let's click on continue so that we can open the game. And the mouse is running away, but let's click continue. Right here I'm using normal network. You can try 5G and this would work very well with it, but here currently I don't have it, so yeah. And now you can see that the game works very well on our Android smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.